Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure wealth management with Morgan Stanley, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure wealth management with Morgan Stanley, start by visiting the official Morgan Stanley website. Navigate to the wealth management section. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, explore the various services offered, such as investment management, financial planning, and estate planning. Select a service that aligns with your financial goals. Click on the service to find detailed information and the process to begin. If you're unsure which service to choose, consider taking the financial needs assessment available on the website. Once you have identified the appropriate service, gather necessary documents. These documents may include income statements, tax returns, and details of current investments. Now, contact a Morgan Stanley financial advisor for personalized guidance. You can schedule a consultation through the website or by calling the local office. During the consultation, discuss your financial objectives and ask questions about the service. The advisor will provide a tailored wealth management strategy based on your needs. After finalizing your strategy, follow the provided instructions to open an investment account. You may need to complete additional paperwork for compliance and verification. Once your account is set up, the advisor will assist you in establishing your investment portfolio. Monitor your investments through the Morgan Stanley online platform. Review your financial plan periodically with your advisor to ensure it remains aligned with your goals. Stay informed about market conditions and how they may affect your wealth management strategy. Adjust your investments as needed, based on performance and your changing financial situation. Utilize resources and tools available on the Morgan Stanley website to enhance your financial literacy. Engage in educational webinars or workshops offered by Morgan Stanley for additional insights. By following these steps, you can effectively configure your wealth management with Morgan Stanley. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.